Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. A contemporary cue. Modern kitchen design ideas hand-picked for you. These modern kitchens will grace your home with contemporary style and functionality. Modern kitchen design ideas that will have you drooling. Kitchens truly are the heart of your home, the place where creativity comes to head in the form of beautiful meals. Lucky for us, we no longer have to worry about making the tough choice between aesthetic appeal and functionality. The modern kitchen embodies both with ease and grace. We bring to you the best modern kitchen designs to suit all tastes, whether you are looking for something eclectic or sophisticated, bold and bright or monochromatic and subtle. Classy modern kitchen with dramatic backsplash. This classy modern kitchen in neutral hues has hardware-free contemporary cabinets, unique breakfast chairs, and speckled granite countertops to which the mosaic-inspired backsplash tiles add a gorgeous touch of drama. The teardrop pendant chandelier is exquisite and the wine bottle storage is fun. A pop of color makes a kitchen look modern. This compact kitchen is clad in a gorgeous fresh shade of steel blue with a singular quirky yellow cabinet. The painted exposed brick wall exudes rustic charm and the clever use of a semi-sheer sliding backsplash makes this fun modern kitchen score high on style. Modern open concept kitchen design. This kitchen is a lesson in designing an open concept space, from its matte blush cabinets paired with glossy white ones to its sleek cooking island and an open bottle rack. With its mix of open and covered storage cabinets and the lovely character infused by the beautiful mosaic printed backsplash tiles, this kitchen design showcases modernism at its best. Bold and beautiful modern kitchen, clean simple lines and no hint of any ornamentation, yet this black and yellow kitchen is bold and striking. There's nothing complicated here, but the juxtaposition of contrasting colors gives this kitchen drama like no other. Hypermodern and uber cool. Compact modern kitchen with elegant details. This pure white kitchen with its raised panel cabinet doors, traditional metallic handles, ornamental hood and marble tile backsplash is a compact design for a small modern kitchen. The twin hanging metallic light fixtures add a beautiful touch. Mix and match elements in your modern kitchen. This kitchen design incorporates three distinct design elements: the bold backsplash, grainy wood look laminate cabinets and more subtle textured gray upper cabinets. The smart use of open shelving and a folding wall-mounted table adds to the functionality of this unique kitchen design. Sky blue modern kitchen with fun shelves. Modernity dons a pleasant shade of sky blue. With fun hanging shelves, interesting patterned backsplash and no visible hardware, this kitchen design is stylish and lively.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.